You can literally see that limit right here. We found that simple tricks, like just telling the model to think step by step, gave us a huge performance boost. I mean, look at that jump on this math test, from about 10% to over 40%. But that's where it stopped. It hit a ceiling. The key takeaway here is that the model was still flying blind. It couldn't stop, check its own work, or, poke at the real world to see if it was right. We needed a whole new approach.
And that new approach is agentic reasoning. This is the big idea. It's the bridge that connects an AI's ability to think with its ability to actually do stuff. So let's break down how this builds a completely new kind of intelligence.
You can kind of break it down into 3 core layers. The first is foundational, just the basic ability for one agent to make a plan, use a tool, or search for info. Then comes the self-evolving layer. This is where it gets really interesting, because the agent can learn from feedback and remember its mistakes. And finally, you have the collective layer, where a whole bunch of agents can team up to tackle problems that are way too big for just one.
Now, a huge piece of that first layer is something called tool use, and this is an absolute game changer. It means the AI is no longer trapped inside its own head. It can reach out into the world and use a calculator, or Google something, or run a piece of code. It's like giving it a toolbox. And this is how they get smarter. There's this incredible technique called reflection. Basically, it lets an agent analyze its own failures. When it messes up, it literally creates a little note to self, stores it away, and uses that lesson to do better next time, all without having to be retrained. It's kind of like how we develop wisdom from experience.